1 divided by 28. 28 goes into 1 how many times? 0 times, as 1 is less than 28. 0 times 28, 0. If you subtract, then you will get 1. Now convert this 1 into decimal. Bring down the first 0, but before the 0 there is a decimal. This decimal must come to the quotient. 28 goes into 10 how many times? 0 times. 0 times 21, 0. If you subtract, then you are getting 10. Bring down the next 0. Now you have 100. 28 goes into 100 how many times? Okay. Okay, we need good estimation, right? So how can I do this? Okay, the first number of divisor is 2, 2, and the divisible unit by 2 in quotient is 10, you can assume. So 2 goes into 10 5 times. Let's try with placing here 5. Then we need estimation. After estimation we need multiplication, multiply. So 28 times 5. Our estimation may correct or may not correct. Let's see. 5 times 8, 40. Write 0, carry 4 to the next column. 5 times 2, 10 plus 14, 4, 14, 140. We exceed this number. So reduce 1 here, 4. And let's try what is happening. 4 times 8, 32. Write 2, carry 3 to the next column. 4 times 2, 8, 8 plus 3, 11. 112, we also exceed 100. So 4 is not acceptable, that is our estimation is not so good. So let's write here 3. 3 times 8, 4, then 2, 6 plus 2, 8, 84, right? 84. Okay, if you subtract, then what will happen? Okay, subtraction, learned subtraction from me. Ones column, tens column, hundreds column. If you need to borrow from hundreds column. One, if you borrow 100, 100 from this column, then you will have 0, 100. 100, 100 means 100 equal to 10 tens, right? And now you have to, if you borrow 110, then what will happen? You will have 9 tens, and 110 equal to 10 ones. 10 minus 4, 6. 9 minus 8, 1. That is 1, 6, 16. Bring down the next 0 here. Now you have 160. Okay. Again you need to estimate. And if you are good at estimation, your calculation will be much faster than me. Let me show you my estimation process to you. Okay, the first digit is 2, and the divisible unit you can divide by 2 is 16, that is 8. 2 goes into 16, 8, right? Let's write here 8 and continue the multiplication. After estimation we need multiply. 8 8 times 8, 64. Write 4 and carry 6 to the next column. 8 times 2, 16. 16 plus 6, 22. 224, which is much greater than 160, right? So what will you do? From these things, you need to reduce the amount. You can reduce here up to From 8 you can reduce 3, that is 5, you can consider 5. And let's try. 5 times 8, that is 40. Write 0 and carry 4 to the next. 5 times 2, 10 plus 40, 14, 140. Here 140 and here 160. If you subtract, then you will have 20, which is uh, which is not 28. So this is acceptable, right? 140, that is 28 goes into 160, 5 times, and we will get 140. If you subtract, then what will happen? 160, 120. Again, bring down the next 0. Now you have 200. Okay. Again, you need to estimate 200, here 28. 2 goes into 20 how many times? 10 times. Okay. So 10 times will be much higher. Let's say you can reduce it to 9 times or 8 times, right? Let's try with 8. 8 times 8, 64, write 4, then carry 6 to the next column. Then 8 times 2, 16, 16 plus 6, which is 22, 224, 224. We exceed this 200. So our estimation for 8 is not correct. Let's reduce it to 7. 7. Then what will happen? Look, 8, 7 times 8, 56. Write 6, carry 5 to the next column. And 7 times 2, 14, 14 plus 5, 14 plus 5, 19, 196. This is perfect, right? 196. If you subtract, you will get 4. Okay, but our remainder is 4. This means this process will continue. If you want to, you can place here 3 dots, 3 dots to mean that this process will continue. And if you want to round up to 3 digit after decimal, this 5 will be our rounding digit, this 7 will be our test digit. Since test digit is greater than 5, so we need to add 1 with our rounding digit. So our result will be approximately 0.036. So you can write the answer this or this.